like and subscribe, will you? Thanks!
I'm thankful for my mom.
Oh, I should have said that.
Because I don't know what I would do without you.
Everyone, good morning! Nandito po tayo sa Japanese surplus, but actually, it's not really all a surplus. So, alam niyo pong lilipat ako, magsusolo. So, I need to buy things for my own use. Meron pa akong nagustuhan, but makatatlo. Ayan siya. Tsaka yung bowl. Yeah, cutie pie. Let's see. Good morning! Kumusta po ang inyong araw? For me, as I said in the past video, nagkaroon po kami dito ng bagyo, signal number 3. So, in progress po ang paggagawa ng kusina. Dahil po sa nakalipat na po ako ng bahay, then wala akong choice but to use the plates na binili ko with my ate that day sa Tianggihan. Ano po? Ay, kailan pa kaya ito matatapos? Let me show you. Ang aking cute na banggirahan. Ano po yan actually? Sisimentuhin. Opa! Ang aking pong pintuan dito ay tilted. Yeah. Yan ang pala dingdingan. It's not yet finished but the work is in progress as I have said. Dahil po sa nagsusolo na po tayo, living in the kubo na ating pong ipinagawa, kailangan natin ng plates. Ito po yung aking nabili. Tada! How cute is that? Ah! From England. And this one. I don't know if you can see. Porcelain. We have a nice bowl. Whoopa! Actually, marami pa pong kulang. But, siguro po magdadagdag lang ako ng 10 para pag bumisita yung aking mga kaibigan. Hindi po kami kakain sa dahon ng ng saging. Eton Fine Edition. If you know Eton Fine Edition, this is England. Mahilig po ako sa puti. Kung nakita niyo po yung aking video when I'm in Malaysia, ay puro po puti ang aking set ng mga plato. Puro puti and another puti. Yeah. Again, from England. I bought 2 of that actually. Yeah. Ang dami pa pong kulang. Wala pa po akong kutsara. Wala akong tinidor. Marami pa pong wala. But one by one, I'll show you when I buy. Okay? I mean, one by one, I'll show you when I buy one. Right? Hinog na po ang ating buwig ng saging. Ano-anong luto ang gagawin natin dyan, ha? I'm thinking of making turon today. Hindi po ito galing sa sagingan ng aking ate dahil yung pong parte ng kanilang sagingan ay ginawa ng maisan. I sourced this out from somewhere else. Good morning! Mag-almusal po tayo. Oh, single life. Yan, gagawa pa po ako ng kape. So, my almusal is turon with kape.